This is a quick demonstration of multi-footprint. I've got a station that's not running right now. Over here, I've got track zone. This job is out of the footprint. This is where my EPC station is in the demo. This is a GEP kickout. This one needs work. This one needs work. This is an empty carrier. This one needs work as well. So when I come over here and start the station up in that footprint 43, run. Comes up on 59, looks like a normal station. Notice the screen's gray. I'm on 59 and it's waiting for the next job, no work required. And that 59 is the one I started up on right here. I don't have the EPC configured in that footprint, by the way. So over here I'll do an F6 so I can restart this job and force it to work on this job. So here it is, asking for the ABS module to be scanned. I'm going to type in the part. It finishes, it passes the kickout because it is a kickout from GEP, has no work required, and it moved right to 60. And you can see the blue cursor is where I am now working. I've got this station set so it can work 1, 2, 3, 4 footprints ahead, which is the maximum, what you can see on the screen. The blue cursor always shows you where you are currently working, which is normally here. But I've advanced through this kickout. As soon as I finish this job, I advance through this kickout, and I'm now working on the next available job. And that job is the one that you see here. I've advanced through that kickout. I'm working on this job right now. These two, this one is signed, and this one is treated as signed because it's a valid no work required tracking space from GEP. So over here, I'm on 60. I'll scan my ABS module. And it's done, and it goes right through the empty F6. You see it said no work required. That is this empty right here, which doesn't say empty because it's a GEP LTC. It's not the new type. I'm now at my maximum footprints ahead. I can see by my blue cursor. I'm on 61, and it's waiting for me to do that module. I'll go ahead and scan that ABS module. And now you'll see an alarm, a warning that says you cannot work any further ahead. You've reached the limit configured in the action. That limit can be from 1 ahead to 4 ahead maximum. And so this will sit just this way until I advance the conveyor and it brings another one into that 4th footprint ahead, and then it will automatically start working on that one. And if I hit F2 right now if I hit F6 to restart this job, you see I'll be restarting 61, the one that is 4 footprints ahead, this one. I'm not restarting on these, they're already signed and done, but when I'm stuck on one job and I hit F6, that's the one that I restart, so I can redo the one that I just finished only. I cannot go backwards other than that right now. And then it's done again, and again it tells me I cannot work any further ahead. If I hit F2 to reset the entire application, it passes all the jobs that have been done, and it ends up right back on 61 and says you don't have anything to do here, and it can't go any further, and it's because it's reached its max, and that one is also signed and done. If I come back over here and stop running and come back over to the HMI and edit this footprint, editing the footprint erases its signatures, those signature sheet used by multi-footprint process tools. So because I erased that, let me erase this one too. Okay, I just erased the signatures off 60 and 61. So when I restart the station, it should end up on 60, waiting for me to do work. So let me come over and check that out. Start the station up. There's 59 skipped. The gap got skipped, the kick out, and it's right back on 60, which is the first one upstream that has not been done. And all of that's working off of the process tool signature sheet inside GEP.